Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Siemens iQ500 WT47G439ES dryer is showing a flashing error, it can be really frustrating, especially when the cycle stops and your clothes remain damp. Many users assume the machine is faulty, but in most cases, these flashing indicators are simply warning you about airflow issues, filter blockages, or water container problems. Modern dryers are designed to protect themselves, so even a small maintenance issue can trigger an error. The best thing is that with a few quick checks and simple fixes, you can clear the error and get your dryer working normally again. Try these. Step 1. Clean the lint filter thoroughly before restarting. Step 2. Empty the water condensation container completely. Step 3. Check and clean the condenser unit. Step 4. Inspect for any blocked air vents or airflow restrictions. Step 5. Turn off the dryer and restart it after a few minutes. Step 6. Run a test cycle and confirm the error is cleared.